You're trying to watch something online and you get, "This content is not available in your region." Frustrating, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in under 2 minutes. Websites and streaming platforms detect your location through your IP address. If you're outside their allowed region, access is blocked, even when the content exists. A VPN solves this cleanly. The tool I use and recommend is NordVPN. Setup takes about 60 seconds. Let me walk you through it exactly. Click the link in the description. It takes you directly to the official NordVPN website. Download the app, run the installer, open it, and log into your account. You'll land on the main dashboard. Done. On the dashboard, you'll see a list of countries. Pick where you want to connect. I'll choose the United States. Click it, hit connect, and within seconds your IP address reflects that location. NordVPN confirms the connection right on the screen. Here's what that page looked like before connecting. Blocked, unavailable. Now, after connecting to NordVPN and refreshing the page, fully accessible. Same device, same browser. The only change was the VPN connection. Everything you're seeing is a real, unedited result. Beyond region-locked content, NordVPN also encrypts your connection on public Wi-Fi masks, your IP for more private browsing, lets you access apps not yet available in your country. All real features, nothing inflated. The link is in the description. Go straight to the official NordVPN site. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.